champagne display, right. These are the charges for parking. Just display our tickets. All right, let's go. There's a police station there for Haworth. Wally Valley Police and Community Contact Point. Now let's find this this sweet shop I've been going on about. I think there's another shop that sells some old style soap.
Yeah, I feel that
Hang on. That was Passover sort of. It was. You saw Oscar Wilde's one. His gravestone. It's gravestone.
Hello.
I'll make sure it's done. Hello there.
Hiya.
Hiya.
Yeah. How does it work out? Do I want to buy some?
Yeah, you just let me know which one you'd like.
Okay.
Like to buy.
Right.
And then I'll weigh it 100 grams.
Okay. Can you mix them all up?
I could put them all in a bag, but
Yeah.
the minimum I can weigh out is 50 grams.
Okay. All right. Can your best selection?
Best selection?
Yeah. Just pick them up and just.
So you can do the mixed bonbons, which
Yeah.
is a selection of all the flavours.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
That's a traditional British. That's a traditional British. That's very popular.
Yeah, just mix it all up.
Mix it up.
Yeah.
So how many grams of each? Can we do 100 grams or 50 grams?
100 grams.
100 grams. Yeah. And do you want them all in the same bag?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where they're made? Are they made local?
They're all made. Most of them are made in the north of England.
Yeah.
So yes, yeah, they're
Okay.
all made
All
pretty
right.
much
Yeah.
in the north part of England. Yeah.
Yeah.
So drops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just mix them all up. Actually, make it 200 grams is okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Pear drops. Rhubarb and custard.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. these are the fruit sweets. These are very popular as well.
Okay, yeah.
Any particular flavour?
Just any, just pick them up, yeah, because there's a wide choice. I'll get
Yeah,
confused.
wine gums.
Yeah,
Go with the wine gums.
fine, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Some fudge. Does it go according to weight as well?
Yeah, that's done by weight. So about 4 pieces is 100 grams.
Okay.
Which is.
Can I have? Which one is your best seller here?
Salted caramel is popular. Vanilla is very popular.
Can I have both? Yeah.
Yeah, of course you
Salted
can.
caramel, yeah.
You can have as. Do you want 2 pieces of each?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do that.
Yeah.
That's that. There you go.
Okay.
Two fudges at £2.19
Okay.
together.
Okay. Take card, yeah.
Yeah, we do, yeah. About £8.19 altogether.
Okay. Just put that.
So you've got a good selection there.
All right.
All
Thank you.
traditional
I
British
I
sweets.
trust you.
Yeah, you'll enjoy them.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
That's perfect.
Have you got a bigger bag? I can just with a hanger, yeah.
No problem. There you go.
Okay. Actually, is that got the name of your shop? The bag.
Mrs. Beaton, do you want
Yeah.
one of them?
Yeah.
I'll let you take it.
Okay.
Put it inside for
All
you.
right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. All right. Let's explore some more. Let's see what else they have here.
Shall I buy it for you?
They are witches. You'll be like,
Look at let's go inside. Come on. Be very quiet.
We might get something on. Maybe get a late summer.
Yeah, you never know.
See ya.
See you.
No, but I'd be willing to make that.
It's probably the same size, Louise, inside.
Hello. A good old Land Rover. Right guys, I think we've reached the end of the main street where everything is. And that's where all the shops are. What we'll do is go back to the car park. I think the railway station is that way, or is it down that way? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the other side. Thank you.